Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Look at this bass I just snagged. Oh my gosh. Look at that, guys. Look at that. That's swallow. Let's go. Look at that. Ah. Let's go. Look, dude. He swiped that right there, boys. Look at that. We love to see it. We love to see it. Woo! We got one, boys. Oh, this guy just hit it right here. All right, sorry, I'm having to yell. Obviously, I'm next to a waterfall, so if you put 2 and 2 together, but I am putting up another gem on because that last bass bit off the tail. So let's try this again. Can I go 2 for 2? Here we go. That was amazing. Let's try this again. We're out. We're coming in. I'm literally out here for y'all. Look at this sketch y'all got me in. This is steep as heck. Oh. What y'all put me through making these videos.